In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy your first ETF in Australia in 5 minutes. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Open an investing account. An investing platform is the app that connects you to the share market. It's like a marketplace that allows you to buy and sell ETFs. The good news is there are a ton of options in Australia. The one I personally use is Moomoo. Brokerage fees start from just $3 per trade for Australian shares and ETFs, which is one of the lowest fees in Australia. They're also CHESS sponsored, meaning your shares are registered under your own name through the ASX system. Not every investing platform offers this. And if you sign up through the link in the description, you can also get some free bonus shares when you make a qualified deposit, plus 30 days of zero brokerage fees on Aussie and US shares. Signing up only takes around 5 minutes, and in most cases, you'll be able to start investing straight away. So since I personally use Moomoo, I'll be using the platform to demonstrate how to buy your first ETF in this video. If you use a different investing app, the process should be similar, just with slightly different buttons and layout. Step 2. Add money to your account. Once your investing account is approved, you'll need to add money to it from your bank. Let's open up the Moomoo app. Tap on Accounts, then Transfer, then Deposit. Choose the account you want to deposit money into. You have two options: Pay ID or Classic Direct Debit using BSB and account number. I personally prefer Pay ID since it's the fastest. Open up your banking app, then copy and paste the Pay ID email address from Moomoo into your bank's Pay ID transfer screen. Here's one thing to note. The ASX has a rule that your first purchase of any Aussie ETF or share must be at least $500. This is called the minimum marketable parcel. After your initial purchase, you can buy the same ETF in smaller parcels. So add at least $500 plus a small buffer for the brokerage fee. Step 3. Find the ETF you want to buy. Once your account is funded, you're ready to buy. In the Moomoo app, tap the Markets tab at the bottom, then tap the magnifying glass symbol at the top. Here you can type in the code of the ETF you want. Every ETF has a short code, also known as a ticker, and is usually 3 or 4 letters. Now there are heaps of ETFs out there. Just as examples, some of the largest ETFs listed on the ASX by total assets under management include VAS, which tracks the top 300 Australian companies, VGS, which tracks over 1,300 companies in the developed global markets excluding Australia, and IVV, which tracks the famous S&P 500 index, made up of 500 of the largest US companies. Please note, I'm only mentioning these to show you what an ETF code looks like, not as by recommendations. Whichever ETF is right for you depends entirely on your own situation, so always do your own research and speak to a licensed financial advisor before investing in anything. If you don't know the ticker code, just type the ETF name and the app will pull it up. Tap on the result to open the ETF's page. I'm just using IVV as an example today to walk you through the process. Step 4. Place your buy order. Alright, let's walk through placing the buy order. Let's have a look at a random ticker. This is IVV and here's the ETF page. Now please don't get intimidated by the charts and terms. It will all make sense once you get used to the app. I would encourage you to have a look around and do a little bit of your own research to understand the different terms and sections. Once you're ready, tap the trade button, then tap buy. You may need to enter your trading password or Face ID if you set up one. Alright, so now you're on the buy page. For order type, there are two main options. Limit order lets you set the exact price you want to buy at. Market order means the platform buys for you at the best available price right now. For this example, let's use the market order since it's the quickest way to get the order through. The current price for IVV is around $71 per share. Now enter the number of shares you want to buy. Please note, at this point in time, you cannot buy fractional shares on the ASX. So it has to be to the nearest full share. Since your first ASX purchase has to be at least $500, you'll need to enter 8 shares. That works out to be around $570 plus the brokerage fee. For time in force, this is how long you want the buy order to stay open. Let's keep it as day, which means the order is valid until the end of the current trading day. Tap this symbol down here to see the brokerage fee you'll be paying, which is $3. Then tap buy, which brings up your final order summary. Make sure everything is correct. Once you're happy, tap confirm. And that's it. The order should go through instantly and you'll receive a buy confirmation email. Here are a few key things you should know. 1. Trading only happens during market hours. The Australian share market is open 10 AM to 4 PM Sydney time, Monday to Friday. If you place an order outside these hours, you'll wait in the queue and execute when the market reopens the next trading day. 2. The $500 minimum only applies to your first purchase of a particular ETF or share. After that, future top-ups can be much smaller. So if you buy IVV once for over $500, you can top up later with $100 if you want. This is great for dollar cost averaging over time. 3. You pay a small brokerage fee on every trade. So when you eventually sell, you'll pay another small brokerage fee. So factor that in when you're thinking about how often you want to buy. Here's the big picture. For most people, the beginning is the hardest part of investing, but not for the reason you might think. The hard part isn't placing the order. That takes minutes, as we just saw. It's doing the work that comes first. Learning how it all works, getting clear on your goals, and doing your own research before you put money into anything. For me, that groundwork took years before I bought my first ETF, and it genuinely mattered. The good news is that the early stage is the steepest part of the curve. Once you've put in the time to learn and done your research, it gets easier. The concepts click, and investing consistently becomes second nature. So if you're still in that early stage, that's completely normal. Take your time, do your own research, and make the move when you're genuinely ready. And quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Any ETFs I mention are used as examples only, not by recommendations. Please always do your own research before making any investing decisions. And if you'd like personal financial advice, please speak to a professional. Comment the words "first ETF" down below if you made it to the end. And make sure you're following me on all my socials. And if you want a more detailed step-by-step guide on how to start investing in Australia as a beginner, check out this video on screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.